everyone, it's Kelsey. In today's video, my cat is going to pick out my makeup, but first I have a few announcements. So usually whenever I do my makeup, I have my hair up, sometimes it's wet, and I usually like to do my face first. So that's going to kind of be like my slogan. I'm going to upload on Fridays, and that's going to be Face First Fridays, and I hope y'all enjoy the changes. So let's get into the video. Okay, so what are you on top of? Okay, so I'm going to count that as him picking this NARS concealer. The camera won't focus, but this is the NARS concealer. There. Okay, and then right now, so I'm going to go with, he was laying on this Elizabeth Arden mascara. Ooh, sir. Okay. Aw. Go and eat that food. He's not really interested. Boo, be active. He is by the Naked palette, but I don't think he's close enough. Oh, nasty. Nasty, nasty. He's hitting his tail in between the my MAC Custom palette and the Urban Decay original palette. He's playing with the cord on the camera. Ah, no. Go pick things. Don't get my toes. Okay, so I sprinkled some catnip around. I don't think it's helping him. Ooh! We're going to count that as him choosing the Laura Mercier setting powder. What you going for? Ooh. Okay. And then this Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil. Oh, he's going for something else. I'm going to count that as him choosing the Fenty Beauty primer. This is a much longer process than I thought it was going to be. Boo! Come here. Come here. Okay, now pick things. You gonna smell it? Can you smell? Ooh, yeah. Okay. He smelled the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. No, we already have a setting powder. That's your treats. Look, pick an eyeliner. Here's 3 eyeliners. Oh. Okay, he grabbed this one. I hate this one. This is the Physicians Formula eyeliner. But he grabbed it. We already have brows. Don't look at the brows. Look. Come look at the blushes. 3 blushes. Boo. Come find the blushes. Oh, I think he's found that catnip. Yeah. Get it. Okay. Thank you. Okay, he smelled the Makeup Forever blush in the shade 8302. Okay, so he still needs to pick setting powder, an eyeshadow palette, highlighter, and a foundation. Oh, and a lipstick. Okay, come pick things. Look, no, things, not me. Retract those claws. Ah, no! It's gone bad. I shouldn't have given him catnip. Trying to get this lipstick. Please. Ah, stop. No. Where did that lipstick go? Is it still under you? Don't attack me. Woohoo. Yes. And this is an Elizabeth Arden lipstick. It's a really pretty pink shade. Boo's acting crazy. Crazy pants. No, don't come crawling towards me. Pick some things. Oh, okay. Stop. Stop. Let me... Okay, you guys, successfully a crazy cat. I got the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. He's really liking this. No, don't play with this. Stop. Pick more things. Go on. Pick. Oh, here, Boo. Which one? No, which one? Has to be fair. Pick. You just smelled them both. This one? That one? Which one? Hey. Which one? We're gonna go with the Milani highlighter. Literally, all you have left to do is eyeshadow palettes and foundations. Go forth and pick. Okay. He grabbed the Clinique one first, but now he's biting on this one. Oh. We're gonna go with the Clinique one because he grabbed it first. Okay. Now all you have to do is do the same thing with the palettes. Pick one. Grab my hand anytime. He's so just like not interested. It's like, what are you doing, human? Okay. We used the Naked palette. Thank you. Okay, so Boo picking out all those products was definitely difficult because he's not very active cat. I don't know. He's kind of a jerk most of the time and he likes to sleep. But we finally did it. It took forever. It took about an hour and I had to sprinkle some catnip and it got a little wild, but we have all of our products. And the primer he picked was the Fenty Beauty Primer. Okay, so the foundation he picked was the Clinique Stay Matte Oil Free Foundation in the shade 01 Linen. We'll just go with this, and if I need more, I'll just add a little bit. I haven't worn this foundation in a while, but I remember I used to like how it laid on the skin. It wouldn't move. Like if I was wearing sunglasses, it was one of those that would like not make the little lines. And it feels pretty lightweight on the skin, like you can't really feel it. I'm so glad he picked this one and not the LA Girl one because that one is a little too dark for me right now. So I was like, please, please don't pick that one. I'm going to add just a little more on both sides of my face because I kind of have like a little breakout going on right here. So I'm going to try and cover it a little more. This isn't a high coverage foundation. I think that's why it feels so lightweight, but it stays really well. And if you're having a good skin day, this just makes your skin look so perfect. Okay, and then the concealer he picked was the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. Yes, the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. This is in the shade Chantilly? Yes. Light 1 Chantilly. Just going to put some under my eyes. And then just in the places that I'm kind of broken out. Now I'm going to take the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. And my Bdellium Tools 974 brush. And the Clinique foundation dries down pretty well. You don't really have to set it that much. I'm just kind of setting under my eyes and just around the places where I'd get oily throughout the day. Okay, now I'm going to take the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer and my Bdellium Tools 975 brush and kind of bronze it up. I haven't been able to use the Physicians Formula one lately. I've been trying other ones out, so I'm so happy I got to use this. But I have found some other ones that I really like, and I'm glad that I kind of sat this down and took a break and tried to use some other ones. Okay, so for blush, I'm using the Makeup Forever blush in the shade 8302 and the Bdellium Tools 964 brush. This brush is called like the All-Purpose Blusher or something like that, and it does super well. I really like it. I got this blush in a Play by Sephora box. I feel like it was quite a while ago. I don't remember exactly which one. Okay, now he picked the Milani highlighter in Strobe Light. And I'm using the Bdellium Tools 944 brush. I really love this highlighter. This highlighter is just so reflective. It looks so pretty in sunlight. It's one of those very blingy, glowy highlighters. Okay, so next is the Wet n Wild Eyebrow Pencil. It has a spoolie, kind of like the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow pencil. I think I got this for like $1. I tried it out in one of my videos, and I was pretty impressed by it. For $1, I thought that this was a great product. It's just kind of like a knockoff Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow pencil. It has like the little triangle tip looking thing. Okay, so now I'm going to use the original Urban Decay Naked palette. They are discontinuing this one, so I went and bought 2 of them. One for me to use, and then one to save. I had never had the original Urban Decay Naked palette, so since it was half off, I was definitely going to buy it, and I've been really liking it lately. I've used it the past 3 days or something like that, and I've just been kind of like messing around with some of the colors. I don't really know what I'm going to do today. I think I'm going to go, okay, I'll just take this step by step. So I'm going to take the Bdellium Tools 778 brush and go in to Virgin, the really light shade, and put that all over my lid. Okay, now I'm going to take the Bdellium Tools 783 brush. I think this is like the crease brush or something like that. And go into the shade Naked and put that in my corner. And I'm going to blend that all out with the 785 brush. This is usually my go-to blending brush. Okay, now I'm going to take that crease brush again and go into the shade Buck. It's a little bit of a deeper brown. And put that in the corner. A little heavier in the corner than I did with Naked. Then I'm going to switch brushes and blend that out. One thing I've noticed just using this palette is all the shadows blend out really well. Okay, now I'm going to take Smog on this crease brush. It's kind of like a darker gold. And put that kind of more in the crease and a little towards the middle of my eye. Just to kind of darken up the outside a little more. Blend it all out. Okay, now I'm going to take this kind of small flat brush. This is a 772 brush. And go into Dark Horse. It's kind of like a dark green. And put that just on the very outer edge. And then I'm also going to put it in my waterline. Okay, now I'm going to take this Bdellium Tool sponge brush. This is the 740. And I'm going to take Half Baked, the very pretty gold shade. And I'm going to put that on the inside of my eye. And kind of blend it in to all that dark. And then I'm going to take the same shade and I'm going to flip it over. And I'm going to take Virgin, the white looking shade. I'm going to put that right under my eyebrow to highlight. Now for eyeliner, he picked this Physicians Formula eyeliner. I don't really like it. I can deal with it, but it's not the best. So here I go. It's just so weird because it's like a charcoal color and not black. And it takes forever to show up. Like, I have to go over my eyes so many times. Okay, that's as good as that's getting. I'm going to do the other side. I'm getting kind of sick if you hear me sniffle. Okay, I don't love it, but that's that. And then this is the Elizabeth Arden Sumptuous Extreme Lash Multiplying Volume Mascara. I haven't tried this. This is the sample I got. This mascara is not too bad. It kind of smells weird. I don't think it's the best mascara, but it's not a bad one. And then lastly, this is the Elizabeth Arden lipstick in the shade Pink Pucker. It's super pretty. And then lastly, I love the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. This one is almost empty, but I have another one stocked up. Okay, so this is the final look for the My Cat Picks My Makeup video. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you had a fun time watching my devilish cat not cooperate with me, but it ended up turning out really well, I feel like. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below, and have a great Face First Friday.